Managing grant deadlines is like playing a game of whack-a-mole. Just when you think you've got it handled, another deadline pops up out of nowhere. You're tired, stressed, and on the brink of defeat. And let's be real, keeping track of all the dates, reports, and follow-ups can feel impossible without a system in place. What if there were a way to simplify it all, to stay organized and never miss an opportunity again? That's exactly what we're diving into today. How to use Instrumentl's grant calendar to transform your grant strategy and make sure you're always on top of deadlines, funder communications, and reporting. But knowing the info and having it organized is just one part of the puzzle. You also got to act on it. So, we'll also talk about some of the other key aspects of managing grants that go beyond just having a calendar, like staying proactive and keeping track of your progress throughout the entire process. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to manage your grant pipeline like a pro. No more last-minute scrambles, no more missed deadlines, just smooth sailing. Let's get into it. If you're managing multiple grants, you know the pain of juggling deadlines, updates, and reporting tasks for each one. Things get lost in the shuffle. An email goes unseen, a date gets entered wrong, and before you know it, you've missed a critical update or deadline. And let's not even talk about tracking all the different funding requirements. Some want reports quarterly, some annually, some want a 10-page impact breakdown, and some just want a simple update. It's a lot. But here's the thing, having a solid grant calendar isn't just about keeping track of dates. It's about creating a system that works for you, not against you. A system that helps you build relationships with funders, stay ahead of deadlines, and free up your time to actually focus on writing and strategizing. Enter Instrumentl's grant calendar. This isn't just any grant calendar or another random piece of software. It's a full-on grants management tool that integrates right into your funding strategy. And behind the scenes, real humans verify and vet deadlines for you. Basically, it's like having a personal assistant who keeps track of everything, so you never have to worry about missing a deadline again. I can personally attest to this, as I have left feedback on Instrumentl before, and I got a real person answering me in my email inbox. So, how does it work? Well, Instrumentl's calendar integrates seamlessly with your grants pipeline. It tracks upcoming deadlines, automates reminders for grant reports and funder communication, and helps you visualize all of your grant work in one place. No more digging through emails or spreadsheets to find a single deadline or question. It's all right there. This one-stop shop approach is really what makes Instrumentl special. Now, let's jump in and see what it can do for you. With Instrumentl, you can see all of your deadlines laid out clearly. Whether it's a proposal due date, a follow-up meeting with a funder, or a quarterly report, you'll never miss an important moment again. It's not just about tracking deadlines. Instrumentl helps you maintain communication with funders by setting reminders for follow-ups and ensuring you don't let conversations fall through the cracks. Keeping the relationship alive is crucial for future opportunities. Reporting can feel like the most daunting part of grant management, right? But Instrumentl's calendar breaks it down into manageable chunks. You can track when each report is due, what needs to be included, and easily upload any documents. Again, all in one place. So you can stay on top of reporting without the headache. And for you power users out there, you can even create custom fields specifically for your needs. Create helpful tags unique to your clientele, or even more subjective fields that help you organize your data at a glance. For instance, I tag grants by priority level and likelihood of winning for easy sorting. This all means one thing: more time to focus on the bigger picture. When you're not buried in reminders or scrambling to remember key dates, you can focus on building a stronger funding strategy, refining your grant proposals, and strengthening relationships with funders. Instrumentl is giving you the power to be proactive, not reactive, in your grant-seeking efforts. It's not just about saving time, it's about using that time to create more opportunities and set yourself up for smooth sailing in your funding journey. Okay, I know you want to hear that this isn't all just talk, right? Here's where it gets real. Meet Jordan, a grant writer who is tired of juggling a million spreadsheets just to keep track of deadlines, funders, and applications. Then she found Instrumentl and everything changed. Jordan was able to streamline her grant research and find funders that actually aligned with her clients. In fact, she discovered a local funder she never would have found otherwise, and that connection led to a $5,000 grant win. If you're looking for a grant tool that works with you, not against you, Instrumentl is the game changer that you need. If you're ready to take the stress out of grant management, it's time to check out Instrumentl's grant calendar. Hit the link below to get started and see for yourself how much easier grant tracking can be. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on leveling up your grant game. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest struggle with managing grants? Let's talk about it. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.